Today is kind of an awkward day. Day after a trip, come back, stuff everywhere, there's bits of camping equipment all over the place, there's rucksacks all over the place. The weather kind of sucks, and my brother's coming around later on today to help move an old fridge. So there's not a massive amount I can actually get out and do today. It's just one of those awkward days where there's stuff to do, but it's all really boring. Today completely sucked. I got nothing filmed today, everything got in the way. This is challenging day number 1, and I think there's going to be quite a few of these days coming up, but going forward in the future I need to be more aware of this. What happened today was, got back from the Lake District yesterday, had loads of packing to do, had 3 days of videos to catch up on editing, that kind of got in the way, barely got out of the house. Brother came round, stuff happened, and then before I knew it, it's 8 o'clock in the evening and nothing's happened, so this is today's vlog. I did manage to get one nice little time lapse of the roofs of the houses, which is pretty much all I got for today. But now as it's happened once, I can be aware of it. Tomorrow's going to be a challenging day because I'm back at work, but there's quite a lot going on at work over the next few days, so hopefully there should be some good content coming out. So let's see. Let's see how it goes. So until then, I will see you tomorrow.